Good evening, class. How are we doing today?
Good, Mr. Lee.
Good. I'm glad to see you're doing good today. All right. So here's today's objective. We're going to have you guys compute the area of a polygon using the areas of formulas that you already know. So what areas do we already know? Let's start there. What areas do we already know? Of what polygon? Peter?
Well, rectangle is length times width.
Rectangle, yes, length times width. If we can look in our toolbox right here, we see we have the area of rectangle already written out for us. What else do we know? David?
Triangle is half of length times width.
Triangle, yes. Half length times width or length times width. Peter, can you help him out there?
I think it would be half base times height.
Base times height. Base times height, that's correct. Remember, triangles now. David, are you paying attention?
Yes.
Okay. Triangles now. It's going to be your base and your height. Boop, boop, boop. Right here. Drawn perpendicular with the base. So base and height. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. All right, what other areas do we know? David?
The area of a circle is pi r squared.
Yes, good. There's one more that we went over in the previous class. Peter, you knocked that last one out for me.
I think it's half base times base square times h.
Okay, all right, relax. No need to get nervous. David, can you help him out?
Half of base 1 times base 2 times h is the area of a trapezoid.
Is the area of a trapezoid. All right, so far we got the area of a rectangle, triangle, circle, and trapezoid. And today we'll be using those areas that we already know to figure out more complex polygons. So those are going to be like our normal figures that we're used to dealing with. So for an example, let's say something like, kind of looks like a star mixed with a box rectangle. Yeah, so this is a polygon that we're not used to seeing, right? So, can you guys think of reasons or ways we can apply this to the real world? Areas. How are they real world applicable? I'll give you guys a second to think about it first. Areas. When might we need to know areas of something that isn't quite our regular polygons that we have here, or perfect polygons? All right, all set? Peter?
We're making a building.
Making a building. How can we use areas in making a building?
Well, you need to know how much space is inside the building.
How much space is inside the building? Okay, I kind of see what you're saying there. So maybe the ground space, the floor space?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, so making a building, maybe you're putting down carpet. You want to know how much carpet to use,
Exactly.
right? And the room's not in a perfect square or a perfect rectangle. You may need to calculate the areas of rooms like that. All right, so for today's activity, we are going to get a polygon and compute its area by using one of the polygons we already know the areas with. So if you notice that you have on your desk, you guys should each have a shape or a polygon. And you should also have transparency paper. So for this activity, we're going to use the transparency paper to divide that polygon into areas that you are, or into other polygons that you already know the areas of.